Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my no makeup look. It's going to be super simple, super easy, and just make you look a little more put together for school, for anything that you, like I said, you just want to look a little bit more presentable, if you know what I mean. And this is perfect. This is what works for me. I don't really like to do too much to my skin and my face. I don't wear makeup that often at all. So yeah, I really like this no makeup look. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and let's just get right into the video. Alright, so after I wash my face, the first thing I'm going to do is just like prep my skin and get my skin ready. So I've been trying out the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, so I'm going to put a little bit of this on. It's like annoying to come out. Okay, I just put like the tiniest amount. And just like pat it into my skin. Super easy, quick. And then I need to go in with my moisturizer that has SPF because I am going to be outside today at school. I'm going to be walking around, you know, and it's good to protect your skin with SPF. So I just let that breathe for a second and soak in, and then I'm going to be using my Cetaphil moisturizer. You guys have seen this before. This is not a skincare video, but this is what I do to kind of like prep my skin, because that is all I do for like my face. So just take a little bit of this and I do little dots. And the reason I don't do much to my face is because I just feel like I break out whenever I wear actual makeup, and I feel like if you do have any breakouts and you cover it up right away, I feel like that makes it worse. I just don't see like the point. Like honestly, I just don't care if I have a couple of like scars, like as you can see here. It's like scars, but they're just like really red. And I don't know, I just don't really mind. Like, I'm just gonna leave them, let them be. It like cools down after a while. I think it's because like when I wash my face and I do all this stuff, it gets like really red, and then it like calms down. But I don't like to cover up anything because, like I said, I just feel like it makes it worse. So after I do that, I'm gonna actually go in and fill in my eyebrows. I feel like this step is actually what kind of like puts everything together in a way. I don't know, it's just something that I feel like really makes me feel put together. And I just got my eyebrows done not too long ago, so I'm not really like filling them in like to a T. I'm not really like drawing any harsh lines, just kind of filling in any spots that are sparse, and just making them look like perfect. So I'm just going to I don't know, it just looks really like simple, but it just ties it together in the end, you'll see. And I don't usually ever fill in my brows, but lately I've been liking to, because it just makes me look like I tried a little bit harder than I did. And here, I feel like she took out a tiny bit, so I'm just gonna like go over that spot a little bit. Okay, and that is it for my brows, so that is what I do next. And then after that, I'm going to be doing my mascara, because that is also what really just like makes you look like you've tried. So I use two mascaras for this. One that's like lengthening, and then one that's volumizing. And first I'm just gonna curl. I curl one at a time because it holds the curl longer, because if you go switch and then go, you know, so I just start with one and I focus on one at first. So I'm going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic. This is like my holy grail. I've been using it for so long, and I've used other ones, and I've always like go back to this one because it's so good and it lengthens your eyelashes a ton. And what I like to do is hold my mirror under so you're getting each lash, and I go like this. So it makes it look like you literally have a fake lashes, but you don't. Alright, so after I use that one, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this one is good for volumizing, I don't know if I'm saying it wrong, but take some of this, and look at the difference. Alright, now I'm going to move on to the other eye. Wherever I got a little bit of mascara, I'm going to clean up. Alright, next is something that I do. Sometimes it really depends, but I'm going to go in with my, I don't know if it's upside down, my NARS concealer. This one is in the light to vanilla, and I use the tiniest bit of this, and I kind of go around my eyes because sometimes they're a little dark, and I literally take it on just like a finger and just pat it, and it kind of like warms it up a little bit, the slightest amount, and I'm going to take it around my eye just a tiny bit, like I said, and it kind of just like will wake you up a little bit, make you look less tired. Just kind of like in that corner, because I feel like that's like where it tends to be the darkest. Alright guys, and that concludes my no makeup look. It's very simple and minimal, and I don't do a lot at all, and I feel like I look ready and put together. Like, so easy. And I don't know, and the serum makes my skin look a little bit glowy, so it kind of adds to it to make it look like, you know, I have like a highlighter on or something, but I don't. And yeah, this is like my go-to look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't do anything to my skin, as you guys saw, and I like it like that. I don't like to wear makeup, especially if I'm going to school, because like face makeup, because I just feel like it's on for many hours of the day. It's too much. But I feel like this video is long enough. I don't want it to be super long, so I'm gonna end it here. But this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. And yeah, bye guys.